You want to have one of these. You want to let your chat play this over and over again. Really? I'll show you. The first thing you're going to do is grab the Move Transition plugin for OBS Studio. We need the Move Source filter. The next thing you're going to do is download the assets required. All of this is linked down below. The next thing you're going to do is add a completely new scene. Add both of the included assets to that scene as sources. Next, you want to resize your video source to something like this. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, feel free to experiment. You can also place it somewhere else. Right-click the scene itself and choose Filters. In the Effects Filters panel, right-click, Add Move Source. The first one will be for starting the animation, the second is for starting the audio, and the third is for resetting it back. We start with the Reset filter by clicking the Get Transform button. The rest of the settings you set up as in the image. Set up the audio filter like this, and make sure that the start action is play. For the final filter, pick the movie. You want a custom duration that fits the length of the audio you included. This value is good. You can play around with the easing, make it bounce, whatever you want really. What you now want to do is move the video source to its destination. This might be exactly on the opposite side of your screen, or somewhere else. Once you've moved it into position, click Get Transform again. For the final section, we set up the actions. You want the start trigger to be when the source activates. You want the simultaneous move to be the audio filter, and the next move to be the reset filter. That way, when you activate the video, it will automatically play and then reset back. You can add the finalized scene on top of any other scene, and then trigger the animation by making the video file visible through a hotkey or a third-party program. Have fun!